daily practice for English.
Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning, Mark.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
I need to brush my teeth.
The bathroom is free.
Where's my toothbrush?
It is by the sink.
Ugh, I see it now.
Do we have toothpaste?
Yes, we have a new one.
That is good.
I like this toothpaste.
It is very fresh.
You should brush too.
I will do it next.
My teeth are very clean now.
Let me see them.
Look at my teeth.
Wow, they are so white.
Thank you, Lisa.
I will brush mine now.
Take your time.
Is this the mint one?
Yes, it is mint.
I love mint.
It wakes me up.
Me too.
Are you done?
Almost done.
Hurry up, please.
Okay, I am finished.
Great job.
Thank you. Let us get ready.
What should I wear today?
Wear your blue shirt.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is a bit cold.
Maybe I need a sweater.
That is a good idea.
Do you like this red one?
No, the black one is better.
I cannot find the black one.
It is in your closet.
Oh, here it is.
Put it on.
Does it look good?
Yes, you look very nice.
What are you wearing?
I will wear my yellow dress.
That dress is beautiful.
Thank you, Mark.
Do you need a jacket?
Yes, my brown jacket.
Where are your shoes?
They are by the door.
Are we ready to go?
I need my bag first.
Which bag?
The small black one.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You look great today.
You do too.
Are we late?
No, we have time.
Perfect. Let us go to the kitchen.
Yes, I am hungry.
We need to pack lunches.
Yes, for the kids.
What should we give them?
Sandwiches are easy.
Ham or cheese?
Let us do both.
Do we have apples?
Yes, in the fridge.
I will wash the apples.
I will make the sandwiches.
Do they want juice?
Yes, apple juice, please.
I'm putting the juice in the box.
Good. Add some cookies too.
2 cookies for each?
Yes, 2 is fine.
The bread smells fresh.
I bought it yesterday.
Lunch boxes are ready.
Did you close them tight?
Yes, they are secure.
Put them in their bags.
They will be happy.
I hope they eat it all.
They always eat your sandwiches.
That is true.
Is that everything?
Do not forget the napkins.
Oh, right. Napkins.
Thank you for helping.
It is my pleasure.
Now we can relax a bit.
Yes, a short break.
Let us make breakfast.
What is for breakfast?
Let us make rice and eggs.
How do you make perfect rice?
You need to wash it first.
How many times?
3 times is good.
Dum 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 dum. I am washing it.
Make sure the water is clear.
It looks clear now.
Now add fresh water.
How much water?
1 cup of water for 1 cup of rice.
Okay, it is in the pot.
Turn on the stove.
High heat or low heat?
High heat first.
It is boiling.
Turn it to low heat now.
Okay, it is on low.
Put the lid on.
How long do we wait?
About 15 minutes.
I am very hungry.
It will be worth the wait.
The timer is ringing.
Turn off the heat.
Can I open it?
No, let it rest for 5 minutes.
5 more minutes?
Yes, it makes it fluffy.
Okay, time is up.
Open the lid.
Wow, it is perfect.
See? I told you.
The kids are awake.
We should give them breakfast.
Here is your rice, kids.
Eat slowly, please.
What will they do today?
They have art class.
Do they have their paint?
Yes, I packed it.
Make sure they wear old shirts.
I will get them now.
They also have soccer later.
Are their shoes clean?
I cleaned them last night.
Thank you, Mark.
Do I need to drive them?
Yes, at 3 o'clock.
Okay, I will be ready.
Do not be late.
I'm never late.
Sometimes you are.
Only once or twice.
Just be there at 3.
What about their snacks?
They are in the blue bag.
Kids, are you ready?
They are putting on their shoes.
Have a good day, kids.
We will see you later.
The house is quiet now.
Yes, very quiet.
We have a lot to do.
Let us start with the mail.
Good idea, Lisa.
I see a letter from the bank.
This is our bank statement.
Let me see it.
It looks very long.
We bought many things.
Yes, we did.
What is this charge?
That is the grocery store.
$100?
Groceries are expensive now.
I know.
What about this $50?
That is for gas.
We drove a lot this month.
Yes, to the city.
Wait, here is a mistake.
What mistake?
A charge for $20.
I do not know that store.
I will call the bank later.
Good idea.
Oh, wait.
Did you remember?
Yes, it was for pizza.
We forgot the pizza.
So, the statement is correct.
Yes, no mistakes.
We have some money left.
That is very good news.
We should save it.
I agree.
Let us put it in savings.
Yes, $50 into savings.
Done.
Now we need a plan.
We must make a budget plan.
Yes, for next month.
How much do we earn?
$4,000.
Rent is $1,000.
That is a big part.
We need food too.
Let us say $600 for food.
What about gas and car?
$200.
We also need internet.
That is $50.
Do we have money for fun?
Yes, maybe $100.
I want to go to the movies.
We can do that.
Dum dum dum. Let me add the numbers.
Take your time.
We still have some money left.
How much?
$500.
Let us save it all.
Really? All of it?
Yes, for emergencies.
You are right, Lisa.
A budget keeps us safe.
I will write it down.
Put it on the fridge.
Okay, it is on the fridge.
Good job, Mark.
We are very responsible.
Yes, we are.
Budgeting is actually easy.
If we follow the rules,